How to create an eBay account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an eBay account on either your mobile device or your desktop. So the first thing you want to do is simply go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar simply type in ebay.com. Now your homepage will look somewhat like this where you'll have to tap on the register option which is on the top left side of the screen. Simply tap on it and then you will be redirected to this page where you'll be basically provided with four different options. You can either sign up using your email address, or if you want, you can also sign up using your Google, your Facebook, or your Apple account. Now, for this example, I'll simply sign up or create my eBay account using my email address. So, to do that, first of all, enter your first name and your last name. Now, once you've done that, simply enter your email address. Now, once you've done that, create a new password for your eBay account. Now, once you've done all of those, tap on the option create account, and there you have it. That is basically how you create a new eBay account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.